Look in the mirror. Has your face changed? Do you feel like your cheeks have started to drop? Your jawline is vanishing. Your chin looks heavier. And your once bright face is now showing signs of sagging, slowly shifting downward. You're not alone. And it's not just aging. In fact, there are 5 powerful and surprising reasons why this happens. And I promise, once you understand what's really going on, you'll also learn how to lift your face back naturally, without surgery, Botox, or expensive tools. 5 deep reasons why your face is sagging. Number 1. Loss of facial muscle tone. We have over 40 tiny muscles in our face. But unlike our body muscles, we don't exercise them. As we age or stay inactive, especially with screen time and stress, these muscles weaken and shrink. The result? Gravity pulls your cheeks, jawline, and skin downward. Hello, sagging skin, loose jawline, and a heavier-looking chin. Even people in their 20s experience this due to facial inactivity. Number 2. Collagen and elastin breakdown. These 2 proteins are like the scaffolding of your skin. But from the age of 25, your collagen production drops by 1% every year. Add stress, sugar, poor sleep, and UV exposure, and the breakdown accelerates. Your skin loses firmness and elasticity, becomes thinner, and gives way to facial laxity. That means your skin is no longer holding everything in place. Number 3. Poor lymphatic drainage. This is a big one no one talks about. When your lymph system is sluggish, due to stress, dehydration, and bad posture, fluids and toxins build up in your face. This makes your jaw look puffier, your eyes heavier, and your entire face appear weighed down. It's not fat. It's fluid retention and lack of movement, causing a puffy, sagging appearance. Number 4. Forward head posture, tech neck. When your head leans forward like while texting or working, your chin tucks in unnaturally. This creates a skin fold under the chin and weakens the neck and jawline muscles. Over time, this leads to double chin and loss of definition, even if you're slim. It's not just aging. It's a posture issue causing a downward shift in facial structure. Number 5. Nutrient deficiency. Your skin, muscles, and fascia need nutrients to stay lifted. Deficiencies in vitamin C, omega-3s, protein, and zinc lead to poor collagen synthesis and weak connective tissue. Even if you're eating enough, most people today are missing the right nutrients for skin support, and it shows in the form of loss of firmness and early sagging. But do not worry. We have some natural solutions for you that actually work. Number 1. 5-minute daily face workout. Yes, it works. You don't need surgery. Your face just needs a workout. Do this every day, no tools needed. Cheek lifter. Smile wide. Place fingers on top of cheeks. Lift muscles upward, hold 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Jawline press. Tilt head back, push lower jaw forward and upward, hold 10 seconds. Repeat 5 times. Neck kiss. Tilt head back and make a kissing motion toward ceiling. Tones neck and chin. Tongue press. Push your tongue against the roof of your mouth hard while lifting chin. Firms jawline. These exercises activate facial muscles, improve blood flow, and even help with lymph drainage. Within 2 weeks, most people notice a fresher, lifted look. Number 2. Eat these 5 collagen-friendly foods. Surprisingly, your diet is key to lifting your face naturally. Here's what to include daily. Bone broth. Rich in collagen, amino acids, and gelatin that literally rebuild your skin. Berries, especially blueberries. Packed with antioxidants that protect collagen and improve elasticity. Pumpkin seeds. High in zinc, which helps repair skin tissue and regenerate collagen. Wild salmon, or flax seeds as alternative. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and support skin hydration. Red bell peppers, loaded with vitamin C, necessary to build collagen from scratch. Number 3. Improve your lymph flow. Start your day with face tapping or gua sha for 3 minutes. Dry brushing neck and jaw, hydration. Add a pinch of sea salt or lemon to your water for better absorption. These small acts boost circulation and flush the puffiness that makes your face look heavier and less defined. Number 4. Fix your posture. Your head weighs around 5 kilograms, 11 pounds. When it's tilted forward, your chin and jawline suffer. To fix, sit tall, pull chin back like a turtle into the shell. Align ears with shoulders. Take breaks from screens every 30 minutes. Even 1 week of posture awareness visibly improves neck and jaw definition and helps prevent the downward pull of facial features. Number 5. Use natural skin tightening masks weekly. Try this at-home mask. 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon honey, ½ teaspoon lemon juice. Apply to face, leave 15 minutes, rinse with cool water. This mask tightens skin instantly and feeds it with protein and enzymes that support skin elasticity. So yes, your face is changing. But no, it's not just aging, and you're not helpless. The real reason your face is sagging is because you stopped using it. But now, with just a few minutes a day and the right foods, you can actually retrain your face to lift itself again, naturally, affordably, and beautifully. Like, subscribe, and share if this surprised you. And tell us in the comments, which of these was your biggest aha moment?